Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use GetX as your state manager in your Flutter application. GetX is an extra light and powerful solution for Flutter. It combines high-performance state management, intelligent dependency injection, and route management quickly and practically. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on the state management. GetX is one of the most popular state manager used by Flutter community. One of the major differences of GetX compared to other state manager is that GetX completely independent from the build context. If your Flutter project uses some software architecture design that makes an hassle for you to pass the build context to your controller or function, GetX is the most suitable state manager for your project. In this tutorial, I will be using this get package, which you can find in pub.dev. Now let's add the package dependency into our Flutter project. To prevent any version conflict, make sure you use the same environment SDK as mine. Now we have added the get package in our Flutter project. We can now run the Flutter application. Here I have created a very simple Flutter application with a text and an elevated button. In this tutorial, I will be using a counter app as an example. Firstly, I will create a count variable and display the count value in the text widget below. Before we get into GetX State Manager, I would like to introduce you the fundamental of get package. In normal circumstance, if you would like to update the value or change the state of a variable, you are required to use the setState method from stateful widget. However, if you use get package, you no longer require to use setState method to change or update the state of a variable. We can directly update or change the value of a variable in onPress function. There are two conditions to make this happen. One is to add .obs behind the variable value. This .obs indicates that this variable is observable. The second condition is that for any widget that reads the observable variable, we can no longer display the widget by calling the widget itself. We have to use observable value builder to return the widget. Now let's hot restart and try it out in the simulator. As you can see, when I click on the elevator button, the count value incremented by 1 and the UI is responsive without using setState. Once you are familiar with GetX observable state fundamental, you can now convert all stateful widget into stateless widget. This will save up large amount of RAM usage from your application, and this is one of the attractiveness of GetX as state manager. After introducing fundamental of GetX, now I will show you a more advanced implementation of GetX, which is GetX controller class. Now I will create a controller class that extends GetX controller. And in the class, it will have a count variable and an increment function. For tutorial purposes, I will just keep the class simple. You can customize based on your requirements, such as adding more variable or adding more function. And this is our simple controller class. Now I will show you how to read the count value in the controller class and how to execute the increment function of the class. Firstly, we need to instantiate our controller class using get.put to make it available to use. Now we can get the count value by calling c.count. And we can execute the increment function by calling c.increment, which is the function name. Now let's try it in the simulator. And there you go. When the button is clicked, the value updated and the UI responds immediately. And now if you require to retrieve or access any data variables or execute any function, you can create the controller and access directly in that widget without passing through multiple routes. However, if you require to read the value that updated from another routes in the controller class, you are required to use the same instance of the controller class. Else, you will read the new controller instance value which does not have the updated values from other routes. Another major benefit of GetX as a state manager is that you no longer needed to use setState method, and you can now convert all stateful widgets to stateless widget, and it will save up a large amount of RAM usage of your Flutter application. And this is why GetX is much more popular state manager than others. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.